In this video, we will cover how to calculate materials for vertical surfaces. So that's going to include walls, stairs, and flash cove materials. We're going to start with walls. The easiest way to do this is to first create the material that you would like to place on the wall in the material editor. So I've created this wall tile here. Then to apply it as a base. So we'll select the base icon and pick that material. Select all non-common walls, all rooms in this material. Click on a wall and click apply. Now I'm going to take it out of the door frame here. I want to apply the base so that each wall that is going to receive wall tile has base on it. Now I'm going to click on my room and click on the walls button. Set a wall height. You can leave this. This will miss out on walls less than 6 inches long, or you can just put 0 in there so it does get the tiny walls like this wall. And I'm going to want to check only walls with base. You can also add specialty features. Callidus will ask if you want the walls to be labeled. I'll say yes, so I can show you what that looks like. And do you want to remove base from this room? If I click yes, then I won't get a lineal footage for this space. If I click no, then it will remain in there. So I'm going to say no. I'll keep the base in there. We'll get a wall for each section of base. In order to see the labels, I'll have to turn those on in global settings. So I'll turn on global settings, and under labels, I'll say all labels. So this will give me a label on each wall and a corresponding label on each wall here with both the room number and then the wall number. Process is going to be the same for this next restroom. So again, I'll go to the walls button, set the wall height, only walls with base. Okay. Yes. No. And this will have the room number and then the wall number for each wall in that restroom. If you'd like to start on a full tile, you can click on a room, click on room settings, and change the start point to wall start, and apply these settings to all rooms in this material. Requantify, and now it's going to start with a full tile. So that is walls. Now let's do stairs. So first I'm going to measure the stairs. Looks like about 4'9". Then I'll click on my stair button. Set the width of the stair. So again, that's 4'9". Tread and riser generally are going to remain the same. And then all I have to do is count the stairs. So 1, 2, 3, looks like 12. I'll hit OK. And it will build me stairs, and I can change that material. It's also going to have a lot of information at the bottom of the stairs. How many steps, the width, tread, riser, stringer length, nosings, nose length. All of this information will only appear if you have the all labels turned on in global settings. This next set of stairs, it looks like it has one additional stair. So we'll turn on stairs again. 4'9". And this time it's going to be 13. I'm always going to leave riser to landing checked as well. So that is walls and stairs. Now let's do risers. So here I have a plan. This is just a small theater, and I'm going to need a little extra tolerance for the small steps that are going from one level of the theater to the next. So what I'm going to do is cut out these stairs. Using my split tool. Now each of these stairs is its own individual room. So I'm going to click on room settings, and here under tiered risers I'm going to put 2, because it should have a riser here at the bottom and then a riser at the top, and a 7 inches for each riser. You can also apply these settings to all rooms in this material if you've already cut out all of your risers. That's a quick way to do it. And then you'll just have to make sure that you go back to the main area or any other area with this carpet 7 in it, and go to room settings and select 0 risers for that area. That's risers. The final vertical surface that I want to cover is flash cove materials. So let's create a sheet vinyl. And down here in the base skirt height, I'm going to put 6 inches of flash coving. I'm also going to turn on my corner count. Now I'll place that material in this IT room. Quantify. Let's turn off color, turn off seams. So it's actually having to use 2 widths to cover. Let's try running it the other way. Now we can see that it's just extending this 6 inches beyond each side of the room to get my flash coving. And if I look at a color summary and look at that material, it's going to have both a lineal footage for the skirting, the number of internal and external corners since I checked the corners. So it's going to calculate an additional amount for the gross amount. That's it for vertical surfaces. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and thanks for watching.